Hello my friends, William Poloniak here again at Whole Health Foundation. In this video I'm going to demonstrate what to do if you have a press plate problem, especially if your guidepost breaks. Let's go to that video segment now. Here we have a broken press plate, and what also happened was the guidepost at the back broke, as you can see here. Now there are two things you can do. You can buy a new post or make one. A new post with the correct nut at the top is about a $2 purchase. Or you can take the old post and with the proper tools, here we have a die for a 1024 thread, and you can cut a new thread as I'm going to do now. And what I use to steady the post is a locking pliers, and then thread on the die if you have enough thread left, and you continue back and forth until you have about thread cut. And then simply remove the nut from the broken post, thread it onto your newly cut threads, and there you have your repaired post. Or just buy a new one for a couple of bucks. There you have it, my friends. I hope you like what you see. Most handymen have a tap and die set like this one. If you like what you see, please tell a friend. If you'd like to contact me, my phone number is 760-753-0321. My email address is developtrust@cox.net, and my webpage is wholehealthfound.com. See you in the next video.